Hello and welcome to a presentation on a media plan for JC's New York Pizza Department by Gene Salazar, Kellen Pelzel, and Jake Trujillo. Today we're going to be going over our advertising objectives, our media strategy, our network recommendations, the cost and budget of those recommendations, and the frequency and saturation of those recommendations. For those advertising objectives, we want to have a larger social media presence. We want to increase our brand image. We want to become more known within the community and throughout the surrounding areas. We want to increase both the annual in-house and out-of-house sales. And we want to create more awareness of the gaming experience available at JC's. Now, for our media strategy, the target markets we're going to be zeroing in on are NMHU students, tourists, local teams, and families. We've narrowed in on 3 specific media options that we're going to pursue. The first of which is social media, which provides a large reach, good frequency and readability. The sponsorship opportunities bring in awareness of the business and indirectly bring in families. And email is direct, selective, and quick. For our network recommendation, number 1, for our social media strategy, we're going to be using Snapchat. Snapchat's a popular app among the students of NMHU, and it allows JCs to communicate with them at no cost at all. Snapchat's a free app where one can post and view stories, which are short videos or photo content. JCs can post deals and promotions on their story, which will be viewed by potential customers, which will bring in more revenue. For our sponsorship recommendation, under a sponsorship arrangement, the business will have greater control over customer appeal. The sponsorships directly affect the team, but they indirectly bring in the families of each player. By sponsoring a team, it increases the awareness within and outside of the community. Finally, for our email recommendation, this channel is a low-cost form of advertising which will reach the potential customer directly. It is low-cost and higher effective than direct mail. It's easy to set up and use. For our cost and budget, we think you can allocate $500 to $3,000 of email lists per year, $1,000 sponsorships per team, and Snapchat is free, provided we don't engage in any paid advertising on that application. For saturation, for email we're thinking twice a month, beginning and middle of the month, sponsorship, 1 team per sport, and Snapchat for weekly and holiday deals. In terms of frequency, with email we'd like to keep it continuous. Every half a month we'd like to hit a pattern there. For sponsorship we'll be engaging in flighting based off of the sports seasons. For Snapchat we'll be pulsing during the holidays and the beginning of the school semesters. Thank you very much for watching.